Todd Tams here with Direct Work Comp, and today we're going to discuss whether a business or a business owner should include or exclude themselves from workers' compensation. The reality is this question is very personal to each business, and there's no right or wrong answer. So today we're just going to talk about a few things that you may want to consider regarding what you should do, whether you should include or exclude yourself. So first thing first, there's no formal rule. As a business, you can do whatever works for you. We're here to support you in any way that we can, as most agents should, but the recommendation from us is going to be that you should include yourself in workers' compensation if you feel comfortable doing so. And here are a couple reasons why you may want to include yourself. So first thing, when you include yourself or exclude yourself, you need to look at the type of entity you are, because the rules vary whether you're a corporation, a sole proprietor, an LLC, a single member LLC, or a partnership. Each one of those types of entities have different rules and regulations in different states about whether owners or officers can be included or excluded. So the first thing you need to do is look at the type of entity that you are and the state that you live in and find out, am I automatically included or am I automatically excluded? And then from there, you can make a smart decision about what you want to do. A lot of times we hear from businesses and business owners that I don't need to be included on workers' compensation because I have health insurance or I have a disability policy. And I want to caution you that those may not respond the way that you think they should if you've chosen to exclude yourself from workers' compensation. Many times there's language in the policies that say they will not provide coverage if in fact you had an opportunity to purchase workers' compensation or auto insurance or those things on yourself and chose not to. And so you really need to look at the type of health policy or disability policy you have and see if in fact, if you get injured at work, if they will come to the rescue and provide benefits for you. Lastly, the reason we make the recommendation to include yourself on workers' compensation is usually it's pretty cost effective and inexpensive to add an owner to a policy. And then they don't have to worry about income replacement, medical cost, high deductibles, or their business suffering because they're not actively at work. And the reality is most business owners are so heavily involved in the day-to-day operations of their business that when they're removed from that, it may take and have a financial burden on the business. So one safeguard for a business owner's livelihood is simply to include themselves on workers' compensation and make sure they don't have to sweat that when it comes claim time. I hope this information was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us here at Direct Work Comp. We love helping business owners. Thank you.